Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just give you a little before and after of my pantry. Every so often I have to take some time to revamp the pantry. I love organizing, so I don't mind doing it, but my family just doesn't appreciate an organized pantry. They don't like to keep it organized, so that means I have to regularly go in there and redo it. I organized this pantry like a couple years ago, and I had all the organizational bins and everything there in place, but as I mentioned, my family they're just not really good at putting things in the right places, and they just they dig through things and things get mixed up, and so it doesn't always stay organized. So I'm going to show you kind of what happens to my pantry after a few months of me not really staying up on it. I'm going to give you a little tour of it once I have the full thing organized, and I'll walk you through my whole pantry and show you how it looks. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I've got many more videos on organization, room makeovers. I love sharing beauty tips. Also, don't forget to check out my podcast where I talk all things personal development, spiritual development, how to find balance, how to become the best version of yourself through mind, body, and soul. It's finished and it's beautiful. Let's adjust just a little bit. I like to spread things out, make it look even, you know what I mean? Okay, so these white ones are from IKEA, and these are from the dollar store. Those are from IKEA. These are also from IKEA. This is where I've put like some all the baking items. Flour, sugar, salt, all that stuff. This is where I've put the lunchbox containers. And these are really fun. I got these on Amazon. So you can twist these, which is really nice. You can put just condiments, salsa, got peanut butter, and then I got like oil and vinegar and salad dressings right here. So these are nice to use in the corners of your pantry. And these are old Isogenics containers, the protein powder that I just recycled. Added some vinyl sticky paper onto it, and then some labels, and I spray painted the top. So those are kind of fun. That's an idea of a way to recycle, upcycle. I was using all these labels, but yeah, I gotta go and decide on either labels or no labels. So this was kind of a while ago where I had these chalk labels that I was using, but I like consistency, so I think I'll probably go ahead and remove all the labels. I was really obsessed with labels for a while. So as you can see, I just gotta go through and remove labels. Labels was like everything to me like 5 years ago. I like everything to be like even, straight, flush with the outer edge. It's just more appealing to the eye, and for people like me who like, or I wouldn't say I'm like OCD, but I really pay attention to details.